a major victory for presidential authority and the rule of law. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, a court often known for its liberal rulings, rejected Governor Newsom's desperate plea to rehear his case against President Trump. This means the court is upholding a previous ruling, affirming that the president has the power to call up the National Guard. The Constitution grants the president this authority to suppress rebellion and enforce federal laws when local leaders refuse to do their job. Activist judges who try to block this are overstepping their bounds, attempting to substitute their political opinions for the president's duty to protect federal workers and property. This ruling is a necessary check on judicial overreach and a win for the entire executive branch. It correctly applies the legal standard that courts must give great deference to the president's judgment, since he alone bears the responsibility to make that tough call to preserve order. The need for strong leadership was underscored by the heartbreaking tragedy we just witnessed in California. 3 American lives were lost when an intoxicated illegal alien driver slammed his semi-truck into slow traffic. This individual, a foreign national, crossed our border and was released into the interior of our country in 2022 under the weak border policies of the previous administration. California's sanctuary state policies made matters even worse by allowing him to obtain a driver's license and remain free. This was not an accident. It was the predictable result of open border politics and the refusal to cooperate with federal immigration enforcement. The same groups that oppose the president's authority to enforce order are the ones enabling these tragedies. Every American who lost a loved one in that crash is a victim of a system that prioritizes protecting non-citizens over its own citizens. We must hold those responsible accountable and demand the full enforcement of every law on the books to protect the American people.